Yes, I'm calling you Muslim brothers and sisters, and I want you to pick up. If you're sleeping, it's time to wake up. And if you're still sitting, I want you to stand up. In case you are so weak, get ready to warm up. This is Ramadan, the month of blessing, the time of forgiveness, so let's speak up. Allah has better plans for us. All we have to do is look up. Our sisters should focus on Taraweeh and drop out the makeup. You should never forget from the beginning what you are made of. Time for lost things to back up, good deeds to scale up, tafsir sound to turn up, and busy ones to round up. And for you couples in Ramadan, there is no break up. Dear Muslim brothers, this time for us to face up. If I ask who is going for tahajjud, I expect your hands up. Read Quran, pray hard, and look for a little qadr if you want to blow up. In Ramadan, all your dirty sins can be cleaned up, because the shayateens that we call the devils are being locked up. Al-Jannah is calling all of us, so let's pick up. La taqnatu min rahmatillah, we should never give up.